In today's video, I'll show you how to create a cinematic opening where waves of flowing energy move across the screen and reveal your video in a smooth and immersive way. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed at the beginning of the timeline. Tap on the clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Energy Ocean, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, energy-like waves flow across the screen, revealing the video underneath with a deep and cinematic feel. Use the duration slider to control how fast the energy moves. Shorter duration makes the motion intense and powerful. Longer duration slows it down, creating a calm and atmospheric reveal. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the movement feels smooth and immersive. And that's it. You've successfully added an energy ocean reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.